Very nice. I've used it before, it works. Okay, here's one item that, let me see if I can get this. Well, I think this is an often overlooked product. What it is, it's Iostat 130 milligram potassium iodine tablets. What these do is that they reduce the chance of a thyroid damage in the event of a radiation emergency. This brand is the only one that I know of that's FDA approved. So if your life depends on it, I guess it's worth to like put a little extra toward the FDA approved brand. Besides that, it's a really simple question why you should have this on you. Is your life worth what? Right now at this time they are $11.80, and they ship free with Super Savers. So if you order over $25 on Amazon, it's free shipping. Okay, that's it for that. School ID in there. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Oh, I'll get to that later. Let's see. Here we have a fire steel. It's the, I think, Light My Fire brand, Swedish fire steel. Haven't used it, but I'm sure it works. Here we have a heat sinks, or heat sheets, should I say, heat sheets, survival blanket. It is, I think you get 2 for $12 on Amazon, and they ship free with Super Savers shipping again, and they're supposed to be quieter than normal Mylar bags, and what else? 2-person size, or at least they claim it's 2-person size. I don't think it's really that big. Yeah, reflective orange if you want to signal, I guess. Some IDs in there, cards. This is a Fox 40 Micro. I would suggest getting, if you're just gonna buy a whistle, don't buy this one specifically unless your space is really, or like you don't have enough space for a larger one, because the regular Fox 40 whistle actually is, I think, just as loud, but a lot easier to produce a sound with, because this requires a lot more force and a lot bigger of a breath to actually blow the whistle, I guess. So if you're under a rubble pile or something, it's you may not be able to take such a deep breath that you'd be able to produce a loud enough sound with this. So, but hey, it came with the Adventure Medical's pack, so I have it in there. Okay, this pocket is normally where I carry this camera. If you're curious, it's a Sony CyberShot. Let me see if I can get the number. DSCW290. There we go. Okay. Well, here the pack came with 3 keys. I keep one of them right at this corner on this keyring it has. basically in the off chance that I happen to lose my keys, even if it's locked, I can still push the zipper far enough where I could reach in, grab this key, and just tear it off. It's just on a little rubber ring, I guess. Okay, well, let's go into the first one. This is the Adventure Medical Kit's Pocket Survival Pack, which right now contains, the rest of the stuff is already out here, excluding the little compass it came with. I put that in my bug out bag. I'll probably do a video on that later, but for now, just okay. Heavy duty aluminum foil. This works together with this. If I ever have to boil water in here, I could always use this to cap it off because this is plastic and keep the water from evaporating. Don't want to waste water. What is this? Little scalpel or surgical blade, whatever. Okay. In here is another one of those P38 can openers. I added that. This paper is waterproof, and they also included this little pencil, which is now in 2 pieces. I added these. They're coffee filters, so if I ever have to collect some water, I guess I can at least pre-filter it. I still need to add one item, that at least that one that comes to mind right now. Some water filter tablets, or water purification tablets, should I say. Those would be nice, but I'm broke right now, so it's gonna have to wait. I have water purification methods in my bug out bag though, and yeah, little instruction tablet it comes with, I guess, or instructions, whatever. Okay. Okay, well, let's see. Still have this back pocket. Here it has this clip, I guess you could attach keys in there. Keep money in there if you want. Other items. Oh yeah. Constitution. You're American, right? So why not carry one? And AP Max silver. It's nice, very shiny. Can't really afford much silver. I just bought a little just in case, if worse comes to worse, my mom could at least pay off her debts or pay off the rent, I guess. Butterfingers. And one more piece. My favorite one, the US flag. Sure if it's focusing in properly, but it's quite shiny. And on the back it has a little space right there that I want to engrave something in. I want to keep this one with me. I really don't want to get rid of this one, but I'm considering getting rid of a few ounces if the price really goes up high enough, so I could buy a firearm. 1 ounce. Shiny. So if you have any suggestions on what I can engrave onto the back, something to do with silver or something in the Constitution. Considering engraving that part about the states where it's only gold and silver can be used as money or something like that, or for to pay debts off or something. I forgot exactly how it's worded, but considering engraving that. Tell me what you think. Okay. And let's see. Yep, I believe that's it. Well, thank you for watching the video. I just want to add that, well, you saw I kept my folder. I tend to keep my folder hidden because most people freak out when they see a knife. I thought I lived in America, but I guess not. It's sad to see that our Second Amendment right has been demonized so much. Well, I have a little something to say about weapon-free zones. Well, a criminal, being a criminal, will break the law and bring a weapon into one of these zones. While the law-abiding citizen, being a law-abiding citizen that he or she is,